So out there goes 150,271. Apply for somewhere. Going out now, 156,464 on the pacer. I need to stick the full wets on here, I think. 142,071, and there's a 350 coming in as well.
The train arriving on platform 13 is not in service.
Not in service?
Please do not board this train.
354.05 is not in service. Interesting. That's because it's not 407, it's not the go. I found now is a 323 bound for Stoke-on-Trent. But now we've got a 195 as well. 195,124. Nice one for that. 323,231 there, departing for Stoke-on-Trent. And shortly we will have the 350 departing as well. I don't know where it's going. Is it going back to the depot? I don't know, because it's not in service. Coming in now is a Pendolino. It's going to be difficult, but I can see it. 39128. So you've got 354.05 there as well. And there is a 185 coming out here, so we've got a small section of trains at Piccadilly. So I've always wanted to do another session here, but it can be difficult to film here sometimes. And the conditions as well today, they're going to make filming very difficult as well. Anyway, 39128 City of Preston. So there might be missed clips, possibly. I'm just warning you now, because this phone doesn't function well in the rain. 354.05. The partners are not in service, so is it heading back to depot, or is it ran late for an airport service that's going to go back up to Scotland? We don't know. Not yet anyway, we will know soon, because we will see it at the second station that we'll be doing, Gatley. Coming in now is a Class 319. As I say, there's not going to be much consistency here. It's absolutely throwing it down. 319 at 385. We've got a 175 coming in as well for Transport for Wales. And the 150 going out. Possibly on the New Mills Central route. I don't know, possibly. Or Rose Hill Marport's probably a 150 as well. I'm really hoping there's a roof on the Gatley, because this is going to be a farce. I'm also holding my phone in a really weird way so it tries not to get too much water on it. 175003, I don't think it's going to matter, to be honest. Every single clip. Going out now is EMR Regional 158806. And on the rear we've got 158783. So I keep having to walk out of the shelter to film the trains. This is a disorganised absolute farce, if there ever has been one. 323225, arriving and getting from Stoke-on-Trent, as it still says Stoke-on-Trent on the front. Here is 319386, 2 on the Hazel Grove service that I should have been on, but wasn't on. And you've got 175003 there as well, departing for London. Going out now is the Otherlino, bound for London Euston via Crewe. On the 1255 service. 390,043 is your train. By the way, just the day after I put my news video out, I've got a bit of bad news to tell you all. 390,045 formerly known as Virgin Pride, is now, I believe, blank. So that is the Pride livery, of course, which loved by many, including myself. It's a brilliant livery. This is going out slowly, isn't it? You've got a bit of acceleration in them by now. 390.043, that is 319.386 departing 2. Platforms 13 and 14 tend to be quite congested quite a lot, but today the trains are literally queuing up for each other. And that Pendo doesn't look like moving. Well, it's moving, but it's crawling. Right then, coming in now is a double 150. So 300 then. Double set of 150s, 150.272 and 150.132. I'll end it here because my train's due in a minute, so hopefully Gatley's going to be less wet, less farcical than this session's been in terms of disorganised mess. We actually have managed to film everything though, which is somewhat miraculous. Anyway, here is, well, we've got two coming in, 150.121, the recently refurbed from Wigan Moorgate yesterday, and 378 Blackpool North. So yeah, it's not quite Brazil 2003 out here, it's not that bad, but yeah, we have got a lot of rain. So yeah, that is all for today here from Piccadilly, and on that note, North West Train Spotter 390 out.